In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add bullet points in Google Sheets. If you've ever tried to make a quick list inside a spreadsheet, you've probably noticed there isn't a built-in bullet button like you'd find in a word processor. The good news is, there's a simple way to add clean, professional bullet points directly in your cells, and I'll walk you through it step by step. First, open your web browser and go to Google. At the top right of the page, look for the small grid made of 9 dots. That's the Google Apps launcher. Click it to open the menu of Google Apps. From that menu, choose Sheets. This will take you to Google Sheets, where you can create a new spreadsheet or open one you've already been working on. Go ahead and open your document so we can add bullets exactly where you need them. Once your spreadsheet is open, click the cell where you want to insert a bullet point. Selecting the cell first ensures the bullet goes in the right place and that any text you type afterward stays neatly contained in that cell. Now for the bullet itself. On your keyboard, hold down the Alt key and while keeping it held, type 0, 1, 4, 9 on your Numeric keypad. Then release the Alt key to insert the bullet symbol. Finally, press Enter to confirm the entry. That's the entire technique. Alt, 0149, release, and enter. You should see a solid round bullet appear in the cell. A few quick pointers so this works smoothly. The 0149 code needs to be entered on a numeric keypad, not the number row across the top of your keyboard. If you're on a full-size keyboard, check that numlock is turned on. If you're using a laptop without a dedicated keypad, you may have an embedded numeric pad you access with a function key. Make sure that's active before you type the numbers. If the bullet doesn't show up, it usually means the numbers weren't entered on a numeric keypad or numlock wasn't enabled. Once the bullet appears, you can type your text right after it before pressing Enter, or press Enter first and then come back to the cell to add your text. After you've created one bullet, you can copy and paste it to other cells to build out a list quickly without retyping the code. That's all there is to it. You've opened Google Sheets, selected the right cell, and used the Alt plus 0149 shortcut to insert a clean bullet point. Thanks for watching, and enjoy tidier, more readable lists in your spreadsheets.